Long-term investment will be a key focus at the Asian Financial Forum 2015 in Hong Kong, where a panel on the global economy will welcome, among others, Yasuhiro Sato, head of the Mizuho Financial Group Limited of Japan. Mr. Sato, thanks for joining us. You were on record last year as predicting moderate recovery globally. Has your view changed at all, given uncertainties in the Eurozone and in Japan?
Because of the strong U.S. economy, the other world economy will be led by this strong U.S. economy. But one, I think, a threat in my mind is that European situations. I think in the EU countries looks like standing at the entrance of the sort of the deflation economy. In Japan, there are some issues on the Japanese economy, but still, I think Japanese economy will be able to have the better year than the last year.
Well, is a financial pickup still possible in Japan, and what would be the recipe for that to happen?
This coming spring, probably almost all big ticket company will decide to increase the wage. So this is the quite positive impact to the consumption. And so consumption is strong, having said that. And on the other side, the capital increase and export also has a positive figure even at this moment. So also third factor is that, as you know, Japanese government decided to have the additional stimulative package for the economy. One threat is too much yen depreciation in slowly. But fortunately, as you know, oil price has been sharply going down now. So this is quite positive, I think, a trend for the Japanese economy.
Well, what's your outlook then for emerging Asian markets? Your own group recently teamed up with Siam Commercial Bank. Does that show that you have a particularly positive outlook?
The other Asian country will be able to achieve the positive influence from even China and the US especially. We have 95 overseas offices, but out of 95, 50 is in Asia. So still, having said that, Asian area is a very promising area for the banking industry, especially for Mizuho.
You said recently that mainland China needs to be watched carefully. How is the country doing in terms of rebalancing its economy, and what are the business prospects for 2015?
2015 is a very critical and also interesting year for China, because everybody understands now that there are some significant fundamental issues such as, let's say, the over capital expenditures in every industries. And second, they are started to decrease the working population. Thirdly, still they are suffering from the significant environmental issues. Even though I think Chinese government are smart enough to understand it and to clean up overcome these issues. But the problem or even issue is that the time frame. I think they have to keep the certain level of the GDP growth.
Well, Hong Kong is positioned to help mainland companies going out. Will that remain profitable? And do you see greater integration of Hong Kong and Shanghai when it comes to securities, trust, and asset management?
I think Hong Kong will be able to enjoy this gateway role in the Chinese economy for a couple of years or even several years from now on. And especially the internationalization of the renminbi. I think Hong Kong is the leading area to conduct this internationalization of the renminbi.
Well, the Asian Financial Forum's theme in 2015 is on the region's sustainable development in a world of change. How do you see that sustainability arising?
Well, I think sustainability is the quite key word for the world economy for a couple of years from now on. Even if there are certain such uncertainty or even threats in the world economy 2 or 3 years from now on, I think even though Asian area will be able to grow properly. Why? Because still there's strong potentiality of the population and productivity in this area. And this area is pretty much stick on the China and U.S., especially U.S. economy is in good shape from now on. So based on that, I think Asian economy will be able to have the sort of certain level of the sustainability. And the role of the Japanese companies or Japanese bank is significant to keep this sustainability.
Mr. Sato, thank you very much, and we look forward to seeing you in Hong Kong for the Asian Financial Forum 2015.
I'm looking forward to seeing you in Hong Kong.